Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, but more importantly, it's Taco Tuesday. And I am not going to disappoint. To that in a moment. Last night was date night here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen, more commonly known as my home. Robin came over and we had a Greek dish. I'm not going to even attempt the Greek, but it translates basically to meat pie. Oh, what a meal. Robin and I both absolutely love this. I made some alterations just in the herb and spice department. This is why you really need to learn, if not, look at herb and spice profiles. This made a world of difference. I also served on top a Greek-style tzatziki-ish sauce. Oh, Robin said that both are most definitely repeatable. Recipe will be up. I will get the recipe up for the tzatziki-ish sauce up as well. I don't have it scheduled yet, but I will. All right, today is Taco Tuesday. Today I am doing Asian-Glazed Tilapia Tacos. Let's get to it. All right, I've got a couple tilapia fillets being defrosted. I love the tilapia fillets because they're individually vacuum sealed, wrapped, whatever you want to say. All right, so it's the tilapia, which is going to get a glaze. And then there's a slaw. So we got green cabbage. There's going to be ginger in the meal, shredded carrots. Yeah, I'm going to hand shred carrots. And cilantro, green onion, and for all the liquids, good old soy sauce, rice vinegar, lime juice, honey, and I'll be adding a pinch or two of Szechuan chili pepper flakes. And of course, street taco size tortillas. Sounds yummy, doesn't it? All right, I am actually going to be doing a demo of the building and making of these street tacos. I'm going to do something a little different than I have over the last several demos. So look for it. All right, on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.